Well, Mr. Dan, what do we got here? Looks like an empty pan. Stay tuned and we'll show you how we're filling it up. Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making another munchie while you're watching the Olympics or you're watching the Super Bowl. This is going to be really cool. Penny made these way back when. And then I seen Chef John did a twist on it. He's another YouTube guy, professional chef. But anyway, he did a twist on it. So I'm remaking what Penny did and combination of what he did. Plus I'm throwing a little of my own in there. So without further ado, let's get to it because it's quick and easy. And you guys are going to love it. I mean, absolutely love it. Okay, so you already seen my pan. That's nothing. This is three kinds of cheese, and they are Parmesan cheese here, some provolone, and some Mozzarella cheese. Got some pepperoni, got my jalapeno, that's my twist on it, and we got some store-bought pizza sauce. Here, I've got some cheese I ran my blade through. I'll show you what I did so you can see why I did it. Okay, the reason is what I did with the cheese, because all these cheeses are all different sizes, number one. Number two, I tried to get this stuff, I was going to go to the store and get this stuff, but we already had it here, so why not? So what I did was I took it out, and I just ran my blade through it, especially the provolone, because it was a thin slice, round, and I did this. I just crumpled it up with the knife, and we put it in the bowl. Didn't take but a couple seconds, couple minutes. All right. Okay, I've got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And now you want to try to measure these. You don't want to go crazy with the cheese because you should get about 30 of these things, like a party size. But just get you a tablespoon scooper, just like that. That's all you need, just a little bit, okay? And you want to try to spread them out into like a little circle. Yeah, Penny made these. We used to do them on the grill. She used to fill up the tray and we'd throw it on the grill. And yeah, that was back in the keto craze. Everybody was doing keto this and keto that. That one could use a tad bit more. But hopefully you get enough in this recipe because there's 4 ounces of provolone, 4 ounces of mozzarella, and there's 2 ounces of the parmesan cheese, finely grated. And then have a knife run through it, yeah. Okay. What's going to happen with these? They're going to spread out when they cook, and they're going to be like almost twice the size they are right now, see? And they're fun to make. Now, if you don't have this Silpat deal, the thing underneath that I'm putting these on, you use parchment paper. Okay? The old parchment. Okay? And it doesn't have to be 100%, but you want this close enough to where they're all going to be about the same size when they get done, huh? And then we'll do one more row, I think. Next time I get a ruler, we'll measure everything out perfection. That's all right. It's all fun. Okay. Then, all right. One of those looked a little shy. This one here. And that one up there. I'm just trying to get them while the getting's good. You don't want to put too much cheese. Like I said, then the thing goes crazy. All right, so I got 12 of them there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 is 12. All right. So now, let me slide this over here. Bring you guys right along with me. It's like a conveyor belt, right? Okay, so now we're going to add some of our sauce, but we don't want to go crazy with the sauce either. That's another thing. You don't need a whole lot of sauce. So we're going to take a little spoon here and mix this up. Something like the size of a dime, huh? There you go. All right. Okay, so these are going to be in the oven for about until they get nice and golden brown, I guess you would say. But how long is that? You don't want it to burn. Hopefully it don't burn. Anyhow, so we're going to take a little bit of jalapeno here. This is my adaptation to it, see? It's going to give it a little kick. Kick you right in the shorts. I was going to put mushrooms in here too, but I don't want to get this thing overcrowded, but this is going to be nice. Me and Penny like heat. I know my one of Penny's sisters, Cheryl, likes heat. So here you go. I mean, you don't have to put this in if you don't want to. This is just me being me. I normally tell people I put jalapenos in and when I'm cooking. It's just for the flavor of it. This one is a combo of flavor and heat because these are hot. The ones I usually use in the jar that I get when I get it. Penny she bought the last of it because they're not going to sell it no more in those jars, I guess. So some of these are going to be hotter than others, I'll tell you right now. Yeah, I'll tell you right now. Okay, now I got to get my pups. And that was just a couple of jalapenos that I just chopped up real small, as you can see. Geez, I almost forgot about you guys. I just started putting my pepperoni on, huh? Yeah, these are a little bigger than I wanted. But we had gotten this. We were going to make pizza with my granddaughter. But we made other stuff instead. Some dips. Like we're doing now. I'm doing all these right kind of in a row. And hopefully it's in time with the Super Bowl. And for those of you that are watching the Olympics, these will be nice to munch on. And you can make them ahead of time. Probably freeze them, I guess. I don't know. We don't never freeze them because they don't last long enough to freeze. When Penny used to make these, a tray like this on the grill, take that thing off the grill. I think it made half of it got into the house. Let me pause this and wash my fingers. Okay, so you can see my oven's at 400. It's ready to go. Open the door, and we'll be sliding those in. Okay, so you can see I put the timer on for 10 minutes. I'm just going to check it at 10, see how it's going. And we'll be back. Okay, while I was waiting for the first batch to be done, I loaded up my other sheet pan, and we'll be waiting on the other one. Okay, guys, these are ready to come out, so delve in. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Tell me that does not look good. That is beautiful. All right, let me put the other load in. If you listen close enough, you can hear them spitter and spatter, and it's still sizzling. So let me put the next batch in. Okay, we're just going to let these cool down a bit, because as you can see, you can't really move them yet. I could if I want to use a spatula, but you see, I don't want to mess them up. So we'll just let them cool a bit because they need to get a little stiffer. And we'll be back. Okay, there you have it. That's the second batch. I got a total of 24. These things are beautiful. Miss Penny and I taste tested one. And yeah, they're delicious. Got just the right amount of heat. So we're going to go to the taste test table anyway. And you guys see what we got. Yep, there goes my timer. Okay, guys, there you go. I got a total of 24 of my little pizza chips or pizza, whatever, pizza cheese pizza, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, we'll meet you at the taste test table. I'll tell you how they taste. And that's that. Okay, Mr. Dan taste test table. Camera girl's giving me an assist, but she's on her way out. So let's get us right to it. These things taste just like, you know, when you get pizza and the cheese drips off the side and it gets all bubbly and golden, dark brown, black, whatever, it tastes just like it. Oh my God, nice flavor. And the heat is coming through with those hot peppers. And even after these cool down, you can fold them over like a little taco. I was thinking about what could you dip them in. Really, just leave them like they are, but if you have to, you can dip them in tomato sauce, pizza sauce, whatever. But anyway, guys, if you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, family alike. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscribe button. When you do that, notification bell will pop up. You hit that, that'll notify you each and every time we come up with another video. There's an arrow down right below the video box. You hit that. That will give you another box come down and give you a link to Coco Mystery Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site, and then a complete list of all the ingredients of how we put this here dish together. So my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back. We will give you another delicious dish just like this. Support the Olympics and stay away from COVID. This is Mr. Dan saying thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.